food is set and man, it's been displayed over here. So it goes in like that. Mix nice. Scoops some of the sauce. Wow. So today's menu is called what's the name?
Adwoatoe.
So do you also have the genkle and the akpele and all those stuffs?
No.
I don't have akpele here.
No.
I see. For that, so I saw for no. Oh, okay. Man, this kind of food comes with sweat. Look at my face.
You have to sweat.
Okay, so if you don't sweat, that means there's something wrong with you.
That's a reptile.
Yeah, that's what they are saying.
You're a reptile.
So once eating this food, you have to sweat, and that's what's going on over here. Hello, brothers, sisters. How y'all doing? This is your boy. Cookie with Sinda, I'm back again. Yes, I'm back again to the Volta Region side, or Kodo, and this is the queer in the frame. But your friend then?
Juliet.
Sister Juliet. Okay, what you to be so?
Sister
Kia. Okay. I don't know. Well, who's your right?
50-50.
50-50. It's in here food Davi. She's not food Davi. She's not food. You are food. Okay, but I'm just food Davi. So today on this trip, I'm over here to discover the kind of food that they have over here in the northern part of Volta. So I'm in Hope, and I'll be doing the surroundings, holding it surroundings, for you guys to know what's going on over here. So now you're heading to the market to get some food stuff and start something. You know, it is what it is. Arokodo. Yeah, so today's menu is called what's the name?
Adwoatoe.
Wait. Adwoatoe, what? Papa can be. It's a come I didn't hear complete. Interesting. Let's do this. So this is Adwoatoe, right? Is it 1,000 or Kata's boys? Yellow, okay. So this is the Adwoatoe, yellow fish, that's the name. And we have tomatoes, fresh pepper, some tin tomatoes, okay, onion, ginger, and the corn flour. We have oil over here, and then the spices. Then we do some desserts with pineapple. Arokodo, we dying. Asanka poyoyo so are they? Arokodo, a ham blend. Yeah, so it's sorting out, taking out the wanted particles from the fish.
When they say water, no, you people are thinking about
it. Just had it here now. Wouldn't you say
me? I've never entered a shrine before.
But wouldn't you say what I see?
In whole cry is there.
Oh, yeah.
Madam Juliet, sorry.
Okay, so we washed our Adwoatoe and we set them aside. So basically, it's like we're making stew. Is it stew, right? Sauce, tomato sauce, kind of. Yeah. See how the water has changed. So you have to wash it 3 times, and then the third one you have to add salt to it to make a proper cleansing. Anyway, they show that yeah. So you add salt to the fish. Yeah. Menna croply edge. So I mean, who one fine estate? Which location now? One fine estate. I need estate cooking. You know, estate cooking. Yeah. Of course, I say today like type of food pan all the side.
Because the whole people they do. We have the yam festival.
Okay.
So it's yam.
It's all about yam.
It's all about yam.
Akple.
But the akpele is not more than like not like those at the certain part like the kitas.
It's
Okay.
akple.
Okay. So like banku.
Yeah.
Yours is banku.
No,
Corn flour. Okay. And the yam. Oh, okay. So do you also have the jenkle and the akpele and all those stuffs?
No.
I do have akpele here.
No.
I see. For that, so for no. Oh, okay, that's why we post the video. They say like all my Volta video. There's a fight under the comment section. Obviously, they say. Oh, so you guys don't have akpele here, jenkle?
No. It's mainly an Anglo dish.
Wow. You see, if you come to Ho, you not get akpele to eat. Wow, interesting. Wow. So that's the reason why I came all over here to find out what's going on for the northern side of Volta Region, and it is what it is. Yeah, so we have our oil on fire, and the Adwoatoe comes in first. Okay. It's killing you, man. Killing you. Okay. So this is the first step to the procedure, stir fry. So the aroma over here smells like kakao. Oshin. So stir fry for 10 minutes before the next stuff comes. Adwoatoe. Yeah, so after 10 minutes, we're adding our sweet tomato to it. Just like the other side, or the other might have been from Peter side. It's like the starting of the stew. You don't add onions, you separate the onions and peppers. You just go straight to the point. No romance. Straight doggy. No pork. Yes, we're now adding our blended or grinded tomatoes and ginger and the onion and the pepper. Yeah. Looking like that. And these are different kind of sections, different kind of. You may 1,000 students I say, but on 20 pay. Interesting. But it is very simple and amazing way of preparing this kind of stew from the water side. Who, to be precise, northern parts of Ghana, water. Okay, so one maggi in. Okay. I'm not trying the other. I try with that. You try with that. I did try with. So let's see this, madam. I did try with. So this is local seasoning, herbs, everything made together. Yeah. So
we made it ourselves.
Yeah. So Adwoatoe is almost done, I believe, right? Yeah. Can you use red oil to do it also?
Any oil.
Any oil, okay. So adding some salt to it, taste.
So this one, if you use this, you can use it for rice, anything you want.
Koya was said, looks like the 1,000 stew that I did, kind of formation, but about Adwoatoe. Pepper powder. This lady over here is a lost and found away lady. You know, because of her lost and found, so now you're going on the other side of it, you know. What you are doing? What? Look at Joe.
Hey!
What's who knew look at Joe?
Look at Joe, that's them now.
Hey, then you know.
Oh, Adwoatoe Itaji.
Yeah. Okay. So at this point, we're adding in our onions for garnishing. Yeah, for garnishing purpose. Yeah. So basically, this like not even like 15 minutes, 20, like or 20. Not even.
It's a papa
stew. That's the name.
Back from work, you are tired.
You do sabu like friend the Adwoatoe. Adwoatoe even sounds like Ghanaian, right? And I copyright, you know. About to do the we're playing basically you have to do porridge, okay? So corn flour inside water, you mix it, you make porridge with it before it goes inside the hot water that we have over here. Yeah. How I'm blend wedding, it's no.
1 4 3.
So make sure that all the lamps is gone. So you're adding salt to the water. Okay. You allow the water to boil first. And you pour in. So you cover it.
Tafifia what the chia FFM.
FFM.
Tamira Kugalang.
FFM, that's what we film. Okay. Okay, so we have a boiling water porridge over here.
Yes.
And it goes inside. Okay, so you divide it. Okay, then. Yeah, so just like how I did another video. So they pour half of it, then the cornmeal will come inside. The corn flour, sorry. Then the rest will come. Okay, so yeah, like that. Okay. Okay, move broom. I tell broom. Yeah. Okay, so our plan is. It's here. Okay, so the porridge comes in. Okay.
It's a center chia.
So basically, you like stir to the final part of it, and make sure that everything okay. No lamps and yeah. Then you have your akpele. Okay, so. Now it's ready, so some water to help support 10. And I know how they do it over here. The whole thing goes inside one bowl and the whole family sits and eats. Kewa! Akekese.
Akekefo. Akple ready.
Okay. They will send chamfa. Double mattress. Okay, so
if you Adwoatoe Tadia ready.
Okay, Tadia
ready.
Okay.
Ta dokomi Tadia kaga ko dare for bam.
Okay, so basically the food is set and man, it's been displayed over here. We send chamfa your double mattress, king size. Yeah, so the food is ready and man standing position. So your food. Anyway, so it's going like that. Very soft. You need to be very careful. Mamma mia. Yeah, bro. What for you, Shamba? What do you bro? Like say so, hey, so you know.
Only one person here can eat this hot meal without.
It's very hot.
Very hot.
You need to be very careful when eating this kind of food, because it's very soft inside, and that makes it very hot. So it goes in like that. Nice. Scoops some of the sauce. Wow, like that. Let me see. Wow. Man, it's amazing. Like the taste is super, very delicious, Ankasa. Man, this is a different setup from the previous ones that I've tried. Wow. You need to be very careful.
So you say that only one person is eating without
shit. God damn it. Man, the food is super hot, Ankasa. Delicious. This was a trick about it. How's the trick? There's a trick I'll have to trick about it.
Be picking the surface. Be picking the surface.
Because she's the only one eating it.
Be picking the surface. You want to go and pick from the side.
Wow.
So when you are eating it, you pick. But by the time you come back, another place will be cool. You get it?
Come on, man. Yeah. But yes, still, no, your top, no, but inside, no. The issue is the inside, no. No problem, no. There's a way that you have to eat this food. Since it's hot under, you have to be taking only the surface, okay? So you can't have that big portion. Man, this kind of food comes with sweat. Look at my face.
You have to sweat.
Okay, so if you don't sweat, that means there's something wrong with you.
You're a reptile.
Yeah, that's what they are saying.
You're a reptile.
So once eating this food, you have to sweat. And that's what's going on over here. Yeah, so that's it for today. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Tell a friend, tell a brother. Make sure you follow the page. cuisine.com. And as I said, keep discovering. You know, and the not nothing. The not tip. They're not part of water. Yeah.
They are class.
Yeah. So as I keep. Yeah. So as I keep saying. Yeah. So as I keep saying, it's ongoing, yeah. Volta Region, Northern Part. It is who, that's it.
To be precise.
Or Kodo. Let's meet again for Shizm and Nizzle. I'm out.